Hi you guys, welcome to session 7. In this session, we're going to work on adding some layers of color to the fur, and we're also going to use the gel pen to put in some whisker details and also some details in the fur to further pop out the whites of this painting, because as you guys know, my masking didn't work very well this time. I'm waiting on new masking to arrive, but until then I will be relying heavily on my gel pen. If you liked this series of the Bengal cat painting tutorials, you may enjoy my Patreon. That's where I do a lot of videos like this in much more detail so you can see each step of the way, and I explain each step of the way. And it's also a great way to support me as an artist. If you like my tutorials, that will help ensure that I can continue to do this and expand on my work doing online video tutorials, which is what I really love doing. I love feeling like I'm helping people, and also in these days and times especially, I think people just need a place to escape, and painting is a great way to escape. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos once to twice a week, and hit the little bell icon so that you will get notified via email each time I upload a new video. If you're interested in sharing your work with me and my other students, you should join my Facebook, Rachel Parker Watercolor Workshop. And that is a group where we just share tips and ideas and our own work, and I also let you all know when I've uploaded a new video. I'll put a link below so you can join. So let's get started. Okay, what I want to do next in the next layer is I decided I want to pump up the color in his coat. So I'm just going to put a fairly wet coat of clear water on the kitty, and I'm trying to paint around these white whiskers. But I just want to pump up the glowing colors just a little bit, I think. So I'm going to get some burnt sienna, and I'm going to get my brush really clean and my burnt sienna really clean. And a little bit of Quin, a little bit of Naphthol, just to have a little oomph. All right, and then I just want to get some of these areas really pretty. All right, just let me finish this little, I've got a little bit of painting to do. I've got a little bit of work, and then I'll come play with you, okay, cutie? I'm just pumping up these colors just a skosh. What I really want to do now is really punch up these darks in the stripes a little bit more. So I'm just getting everything mildly wet, and I'm just going to go in and put in some small details. So I'm not going to worry about mixing a black. I'm just going to use my lamp black, and let's see if my paper is too wet or too dry here. We're about to find out. I think it's okay. But I just want to punch up these blacks just a skosh to really give it that final oomph factor. And I'm using cream consistency paint in my brush here. And my paper is pretty much completely dry in this area, so I'm going to go in with clear water here and just paint around the edge. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and next session is our last one, I think. And in that session, I'm going to use some gouache to add some fur textures and just refine the last little details, and then get this ready to list on the internet and wrap this project up so we can get started on something else. And I think the next projects that will be Patreon tutorials, and I will probably upload some things to my YouTube channel as well, will be a rooster and a dog and maybe a landscape. These are the 3 commissions that I have coming up, so I thought, well, I might as well turn them into video tutorials as well. So those are some of the things that will be coming up on my channel in the future. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.